I'm going to be giving you a review and an overview on the Huepar Laser Level. Hello and welcome to another TopBuild Carpentry's tool review. So today I'm going to show you the Huepar HP 603 CG Laser Level. Now we absolutely love this laser level. We're about 2 years in with this, so we use this pretty much every other day and we absolutely love it. We've before this come over from the redefine laser level and this knocks spots off it. There's no comparison. So I'm going to give you a quick rundown on how to use it, overall costs, and even the attachment that we bought separately for this. So I'll run that down now. So how to operate this, there's a button on the side. It's quite simple, on and off, and the joy of when you do turn it off, it actually locks the lasers. So for instance, if I leave that on now, the lasers are wobbling and you just put it in the van or in its box. Basically when you turn that off, it automatically locks them solid, so it can't rock and nothing will go out of sync. To turn it on then, so you're going to turn it on from the side, and then you've got obviously 360 degree lasers. They're all green and they are very bright for when you're doing like any wardrobes, kitchen fitting. Absolutely perfect for us. Now you've got some buttons on the top, so you're going to press it for the different settings and it's going to show you the different lasers. We've not found a fault with it yet. Accuracy has been spot on for us from the day we got it. So the stand currently is spring loaded and it's against the ceiling. Now with the stand, you do get quite a few options in these, so you can obviously go through different heights, different lengths, and it also comes with a low level tripod so that you can go right down low if needs be. Now inside the nice little packet that it comes in, and it does have a foam lining so it keeps everything in its place. So in there you get the charger, you get a magnetic holder, you get a target. The battery that I've currently got in there is a lithium ion battery, but it also comes with a battery holder which holds 4 AA batteries, which is also very handy because if it does run out of battery, it's nice that you've got that second backup option that's always available. Not that we've had to use it to date yet because the battery on the lithium ion is pretty good, and obviously we charge it up when we finish with it so it's ready for the next time. So the big pointers that we do love about this laser, obviously having the 3 lasers on, so you've got your level line across, but then you've also got your level lines up that way, which are brilliant for like setting out. So for us, if we get to like a wardrobe fit, obviously we can set this up in minutes and we can set out where we are and start from a nice line in lots of different directions. So we are really happy with that angle of it. So overall it feels like a really nice sturdy item. It's been made really well with like a rubber surround, and overall yeah, it feels quality. We're 2 years in, we haven't had any issues. We've got 2 of these and not one issue whatsoever with it so far. Price wise in the UK currently they are between 135 and 150 pound on average. You can also connect this to an app via Bluetooth, so you can control laser settings and bits like that. I'm not sure how useful that's actually going to be because for us it's just easier just stood there doing that, but I suppose it's a nice feature to be added on. Overall we are very impressed with this and it's something that we're going to be sticking with now. I won't be going back to the DeWalt one. We will definitely be sticking with Huepar on the laser levels. So thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped. Do come back, do subscribe. We're going to be doing lots more tool reviews. We've already done lots of tool reviews previously that you can go over and check out now. We also do a lot of workshop videos on woodworking, how we make things. You can also see our work if you would like to over on Instagram at TopBuild Carpentry. Thanks for watching.